There's gonna be thunderstorm in Miami, but Homestead, Florida thunderstorm. Warning: if you get close to the thunderstorms, the thunder will hit harder. If the thunder hit the electric power, fix the electrical power light from your house, especially the Wi-Fi internet connection, microwave, TV, and everything you have is electric. And if you sleep with a thunderstorm at night at 9:45 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m., 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9:45, you wake up and when the bed is closest to the window, it will hit the pow thunderstorm super loud. Footage number 2. No rain. Footage number 3. On Grandma Kitchen. There a thunderstorm.